To upload your photos, first click the Property tab, then click on the Photos section. Then click the Add Photos button to upload high-quality photos of your property to your photo library. To remove a photo from your property page on Booking.com, click on the photo. In the pop-up window that appears, click the trash can icon below the photo. If a photo has been uploaded in the incorrect orientation, you can rotate it by clicking the rotate icons below the photo. The photos can be reordered by dragging and dropping them.